Follow these 5 steps to clean your mattress. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. If you are like the average person, you spend about a third of your day sleeping. It is your mattress that you lay on day after day, and it is up to you to ensure that it is clean. By investing some time and effort in mattress cleaning, you can ensure that you get some quality sleep night after night, and also a healthier bedroom environment. You may think that mattress cleaning is complicated, but it is actually not a difficult chore, once you know exactly how to address it. In this guide, we will share a few simple steps that will help you keep your mattress in a clean state at all times. Remove the pillows, covers and bed linen. The first step to cleaning the mattress is to strip off the items that rest on it. The pillows, sheets and bed linen are all items that you should wash separately from the mattress. You can toss them in the washing machine. Make sure to follow the care instructions for each of these items to ensure they are bacteria and dust-free. Time to vacuum the mattress. Now that you have your bare mattress before you, it is time to vacuum it. Regularly vacuuming the mattress is a must. This is to ensure that all of the hair, dust, dead skin flakes and dust mites are removed. All you have to do is plug the wide brush attachment of your vacuum cleaner and run it over the area. Ensure the attachment is clean before you use it on the mattress. Clean any stains. Cleaning any fresh stains on your mattress is mostly a matter of blotting up with a damp cloth. Make sure you don't rub and scrub, as that can push the stain further into the fibers. You will then do well to spot treat the area with 1 tablespoon liquid dish soap and 2 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide. Use an old toothbrush to work the solution into the stain and then wipe with a cloth. Don't use an excessive amount of the cleaner, especially if your mattress is one with memory foam. If you must, use an enzyme cleaner applied to a clean cloth. That ought to take care of most stains. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Utilize baking soda. As a next step, you will do well to resort to the cleaning prowess of baking soda. Sprinkle a generous amount over the naked mattress, and let it sit for an hour. Baking soda is a fantastic solution to use in your mattress cleaning efforts, because it can absorb unpleasant scents. Mixing baking soda with several drops of essential oil will also make the mattress smell nice. Once you vacuum the baking soda after it has done its thing, you will feel the difference immediately. Rotate the mattress. Consider flipping the mattress on its other side once a year. The idea is that it will even wear off the mattress. If it is a model that has no dedicated top and bottom, simply rotate it 180 degrees. All of these steps aim to help you sleep in a clean and refreshed mattress. Make sure to implement them in your cleaning efforts, and you will have more nights of superb sleep. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 10 home cleaning tips that will simplify your day-to-day life. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.